Welcome to EMR Physics. I am Raju, 12th Physics, Unit 1. Electrostatics உள்ள important numerical problems solve பண்ணிட்டு வரோம். அந்த வரிசையில் இந்த வீடியோவில் example 1.4 எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். இதுவும் ஒரு important numerical problem தான். இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, ஹைட்ரஜன் ஆட்டத்தில் உள்ள ஒரு புரோட்டானுக்கும் எலக்ட்ரானுக்கும் இடையில் உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. This is the distance between proton and electron. Charge of the electron கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, charge of the proton கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த ரெண்டு சார்ஜுமே சேம், which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. அடுத்து mass of the electronum mass of the protonum கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. என்ன கேட்டுருக்காங்கன்னா, புரோட்டானுக்கும் எலக்ட்ரானுக்கும் இடையில் உள்ள எலக்ட்ரோஸ்டாட்டிக் ஃபோர்ஸையும் கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸையும் கால்குலேட் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Now let us see how to solve this problem. ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை சால்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் என்னென்ன டேட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறத அந்த சிம்பிளோட எடுத்து எழுதிக்கணும். இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தில் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் த புரோட்டான் அண்ட் எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லெட் அஸ் டேக் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆஸ் r. r is equal to 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. அடுத்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, சார்ஜ் ஆஃப் த எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லெட் த சார்ஜ் பி q1. This is the charge of the electron. Charge of the electron is negative. Therefore, this is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Let us take the charge of the proton as q2. q2 is equal to, magnitude wise, these two charges are same. But the charge of the proton is positive. So, positive, that is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. The charge of the proton and the charge of the electron are same in magnitude, but they are opposite in nature. அடுத்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, mass of the electron கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Mass of the electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram. Mass of the proton is given, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. What is asked? We have to find the electrostatic force. Let the electrostatic force be F suffix E. This is the electrostatic force. We have to find this. அடுத்து என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? We have to find the gravitational force. Let the gravitational force be F suffix G. We have to find this too. The electrostatic force according to the Coulomb's law is given by F suffix E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. We know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This is constant. This is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 is the charge of the electron. Charge of the electron is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Charge of the proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by R square. Here R is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11. R square is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 square. Now we can simplify this as this is equal to minus, here we are having minus, thus minus is written here, 9 into முதல்ல நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து எழுதிக்கலாம். 1.6 into 1.6 into இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 9 into இங்கே ஒரு 10 to the power minus 19 இருக்குது into next we are having 10 to the power minus 19 here divided by this can be written as 5.3 into 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 whole square is equal to 10 to the power minus 22. We have to multiply these two. We will get 10 to the power minus 22. This is equal to minus 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 is equal to 2.56 into, if we simplify this, we will get 10 to the power minus 29 divided by 5.3 into 5.3 is 28.09 into 10 to the power minus 22. So, if we calculate, we will get this is equal to minus 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 8 அப்படின்னு வரும். This is a electrostatic force. Unit of electrostatic force is Newton. Unit of force is Newton. So this is the answer for the first question. Now let us find the answer for the second question. In the second question we have to calculate the gravitational force. Now let us see how to calculate the gravitational force. We can find the gravitational force between the proton and the electron using Newton's universal law of gravitation. So what is that? The gravitational force is given by F suffix g is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square. Here g is the universal gravitational constant. m1 is the mass of the first body. Here m1 is the mass of the electron. m2 is the mass of the second body. Here it is the mass of the proton. R is the distance between the proton and the electron. So we know all these values. G is the universal gravitational constant. Gravitational constant is given by G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram to the power minus 2. So therefore F suffix G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into mass of the proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 divided by R is already we know the value of R. It is the distance between the proton and the electron. It is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 and here we are having r square, therefore this square. Let us write the numbers first. 6.67 into 9.1 into 1.6 into next 10 to the powers 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 10 to the power minus 27 divided by 5.3 square is 5.3 into 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 square is 10 to the power minus 22. So if we simplify we will get this is equal to 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 47 is the gravitational force. The unit of force is Newton. In this problem they have asked us to calculate the gravitational force and the electrostatic force. We have calculated the two forces. If you find this video is useful, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friends. It will be useful to them also. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you for watching this video.